This is my 2019 Sprinter, and I'm turning it into a home on wheels. But before I can build anything inside, I have to deal with this. The body is pretty beaten up from its previous life as a work van. And the funny thing is, before buying this van, I had zero experience with auto bodywork. This has been a whole learn-as-you-go process. So far, I've welded up the cracks, filled a bunch of holes, put out the dents, and straightened the driver's side rear door. To be honest, bodywork is not as simple as I thought. But at the same time, it's not as hard as I thought either. Eventually, something that looked impossible starts to feel like, just another job that needs to get done. But one thing I seriously underestimated is how much time this takes. This is a giant van and I'm nowhere near done yet. So welcome to episode 3 of my DIY auto bodywork journey. Today I'm moving on to something completely different, plastic. I'm gonna try to bring these badly warped bumpers back to life and then tackle the rest of the dents around the van. I've never done this before either, so let's see how it goes.
查一下，这不太会，感觉这个铁皮厚一些，也有可能是我的心理作用，总感觉这个地方好像不是那么容易搞，先搞明白。
We keep on moving. We keep on moving along. We keep on rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. We keep on moving. We keep on moving along. We keep on rolling. Yeah. No, we ain't slowing it down.
Let's go. We ain't slowing down, baby. Come and show me how. Gotta do it right now. You know you gotta hold me down. Can I let the moment pass? Good things they never last. Pull up in a whip, you know I had to hit the gas. Yeah, that's premium. Pull up with a team and them ain't worried about the other side. They know that they ain't beating them on everything I love. Work to the man above. Keep it cool, calm, collected. At this point, you get the message. Life is hectic, but we gotta keep it rolling, though. Gotta keep it grooving, keep it moving like we stole it, though. Rolling with the punches.
这也不太行啊。
Even though I'm clocking, punching in, I'm independent, though. Staying prayed up, ain't nothing gon' phase us. Ain't never gon' let a lame say what they just made up. I never take a pay cut, we getting what we worth in. I never change the blueprint, cause we know it's really working. Moving.
We keep on moving along.
Keep it moving, keep it rolling.
No, we ain't slowing it down.
Never slowing down,
Keep
never
on moving.
moving.
We keep on moving along.
Keep it moving, keep it
rolling.
rolling.
No, we
Keep
ain't
it rolling, keep it
slowing
moving.
it
We
down.
ain't never gonna lose it. Cause we in it for the movement. If I'm lying, then I'm flying. Don't play into their amusement. If we trying, we ain't dying. Never sleep, never. Never sleep, never. The moment that you rest your head, they think they can't compete. If you gotta skip steps, then the plan is not complete. Get your reps in, get your reps in, get your.
这是最难的一块地方，但是做着做着发现好像也可以不解决。它其实最后会被这个 bumper 给遮盖住，所以
Keep it moving, keep it rolling. Never slowing down, never moving.
We keep on moving
Keep it moving, keep it moving, keep it rolling. Keep it rolling, keep it moving. We ain't never gonna lose it.
Yeah, came through flexing cause we know I got the sauce.
完美。先直接把 bumper 弄了吧，也就是塑料的。
Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me. Rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ring something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping.
咦，它真的就下去了。哎，这个 body 真的是越做越发挥创造力了。我就是把这一块再弄回去。
Yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know? But like this, nobody. Can't go slow. I gotta hit that body. I'm the top, but the top. I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot, and you not. That's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, hard road. Gotta go home. Yeah.
你看一下啊，这个弧度有没有压出去？哦，等一下，我这个呀，我觉得这个有点牛逼了，很不错哎，这个弧度真的。
Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me. Rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ring something like a movie. Country
可以
boy
了。这塑料没想到是最好修的，这个好像断了。啊，好烫，好烫，好烫，腿！
everywhere I go, my city. And they be lame. That's such a lame thing. Yeah, y'all be lame thing. I could never ever go outside like that. Yeah, my people got my back, and I know that that's a fact. So I won't worry about a thing. I'm gonna keep on burning track. Do you get what I mean? I got faith in my dream. Oh, it's been a long, hard road. Gotta go home. Yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah. Came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me. Rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ring something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm
有一种自己在跟自己约会的感觉。出炉第二锅，这个饼我就直接在烤盘上摊的，容易很多，而且不会烫伤。有点好看哈。
After almost a month of knurling, welding, pulling, hammering, and probably way too much sanding, I can finally say that all the dents on this van have been pulled out and straightened. That took way longer than I expected. But the bodywork is not done yet. I have a vision for this van, and before I can finally give it a completely new look with fresh paint, there are still layers of body filler to add, a lot of sanding to do, and plenty of little imperfections to clean up. So I guess there's gonna be an episode 4 of DIY Auto Bodywork. We're getting closer. I'll see you next week. Have a good one.
干巴爹 Mega Szechuan Q Mark Sean XW Jiang Timothy Lamb DC Lin Philip Huang Hank Digital K Hua Rock Marquise L Meng Uncle Jeff 张庚 Jeff Zhong Jason Wu Daniel Liu More the Do Sploot Bites Free Mango 黄燕 YX Vicky Trung Emily Ren Michelle 王老师 Jin Lo 普吉岛华哥王一浩 Michael Tam 肖 Kang V Lai Bora Home Sefty Eric Joanna Zhao Yuan Su 清风徐来 Alex SR Ni RVS Solutions Jimmy Lu Hannah Heights Calvin Sinji Shi Vincent Recall 平克学摇滚 X 灰才不是肥宅呢 YBG Staffing Colin World 小主白切史栋斯我是瓦妮萨易读陆家艾莱克斯迈尔乔艾斯 Dr. Joe